Hey guys, I am back, and this time I have a toy with me. It's a Bearbrick, a display set, a toy, whatever you want to call it. It is an expensive toy actually. I know I've been sharing a lot about sneakers in my past videos, but this channel is really about big boys toys, so we're coming back to other things as well. And here I have the Royal Selangor and Medicom's latest collaboration, the Bearbrick Steampunk. The box is a Tiffany blue, very nice, very striking, and it has the royal blue behind it as well as on the logo. Back of the box, you would have the title, the names of Royal Selangor and Bearbrick, as well as the product itself, which is called the Steampunk. Inside the box is quite standard. This is where you put your Bearbrick, a bit of foam as well, and a bit of information about Royal Selangor, which they have it in every of their items that you buy with them. So before we dive into this Bearbrick, I just want to share with you a little bit about my experience with Royal Selangor, my story. So when I first started off collecting, which was just last year, and I collected a few of their superhero items at the time, there was a Bearbrick that actually was released. Silly me or not, I couldn't quite comprehend what was this buzz about the Bearbrick, but over time, as I keep looking back at the pictures today, I felt that that Bearbrick was pretty dope, and I wish that I bought it at retail. So I knew that when they were to release another Bearbrick, I have to get my hands on it. So the interesting part about Royal Selangor is that for this Bearbrick collection, they don't really need to promote it much anymore. There's already a following behind it. So all they actually did was they announced that they're going to release another collaboration. You can't really look at the images at the time. There were no pictures or videos or materials that had been produced, but you could say whether you want it or not. It was a very simple yes or no, trust us, we're going to do something great. And that's what I did. I put my name down for their latest collection. And here it is. This is what I've gotten. It's a limited edition as per their usual Bearbricks. So they normally come out with a very limited quantity. I think, if I'm not wrong, this is like 200 or 300 units globally. So it does have that value in the end of the day. So looking at this Bearbrick, it is actually pretty heavy, just like Royal Selangor stuff. It is made of pewter, which is good value. It is called Steampunk, and that's why you will see all the gears, all the kind of like machinery that goes around it at the front, as well at the back, over the back of the head, and the back of the body, as well as one of the legs. You will see that it's all this kind of machinery. Reminds me a little bit of certain kind of movies that I watch, where you get to see all the works that goes behind it. And I think it's quite detailed. It has been quite nicely done. So it has a bronze overlay that really speaks to me, where it feels a bit of brownish, kind of copper color, and a color that I really like. You could actually lift his hands up, quite high in fact, all the way up. And then there's also this part of the hand that you could actually turn, right? So that reminds me, I'm sure many of you will have the same thought, it reminds me kind of a bit of like Lego. And yep, the legs are also the same. So the legs are actually movable, as if it's walking, but it's so heavy, to be honest, that you just don't want to drop it. So I'm kind of careful with the whole Bearbrick here. Yeah, let's put it down properly. Okay, so the retail value of the Bearbrick goes about 1,500 US thereabouts, about 6,000 odd ringgit. I am sure this will not be the last collaboration between Royal Selangor and Bearbrick. I believe that they will still produce other collaborations, just like last year where they had quite a number of Bearbricks that was produced. I do hope that they do produce a lot more this year or the coming years in the future. And so there you have it guys, another review, this time Big Boys Toys, a display set of Bearbrick. And I do hope you like my video. Share my video out to your friends. Do follow me on my channel, as well as click the notification button to receive a notification whenever a new video is being released. You can also follow me on my TikTok or my Instagram, links are below. where I do share more on men's style as well as my life story too. So till then, do take care, and I'll see you guys around.